I will now explain the Payments view. At the bottom of the sidebar, there is a Payments button. This feature is only displayed to venues that use the credit card payment function within TableCheck. As different payment gateways have different policies and capabilities, please communicate with your managing consultant about the specifics of your venue's payment options. There are 3 different transaction types that can be managed in the Payments view. Prepayments, which is when customers pay for a percentage of the cost of their meal when they make the reservation. Store mode payments, which is when the customer's payment information is stored with the reservation and is used for various charges. And pre-authorized payment holds, which is when a hold is placed on the customer's credit card for a certain amount until they complete their reservation. All of these transaction types can be used to collect cancellation fees. Please confirm with your managing consultant on which of these transaction types are available with your venue's payment gateway. Within the Payment view, after the search bar where you can search for specific payments, you will see the Unprocessed, Contact List, Prepay, Auth Hold, Cancel Fee, and Payment Request tabs. In the Unprocessed tab, you will see any payments that need attention. This includes reservations set to use store mode payments and pre-authorized holds that have been canceled within the cancellation fee timeframe, or the guest did not arrive for their reservation. When there are unprocessed reservations here, an orange icon with a number will be displayed in the upper right of the Payments tab. Please make sure to check here regularly to process payments. The Contact List tab is a feature currently only available in Japan. The Prepay tab shows reservations for the selected day with meals that have been prepaid. You can choose to refund those prepayments from this tab. The Auth Hold tab shows reservations for the selected day that have pre-authorized payment holds or are set to use store mode payments. If a reservation here is charged a cancellation fee, they will also appear in the Cancel Fee tab. In the Payment Request tab, you can see any ongoing payment requests that you have sent to guests who didn't submit their payment information with the reservation, such as those who made reservations by phone. You can also check and manage payments for individual reservations from the reservation info accessible through the normal operating views. Simply select the Payments tab in the reservation info. For each reservation in the Payments view, you can see information such as payment status, the order, the date of the reservation, the number of people, the assigned table, the customer, the reservation status, and payment actions. You can click on any of these items to view their details or edit them. The payment status automatically updates for each reservation. For example, reservations that are canceled within the cancellation fee window will display the Pending Cancel Fee status, showing that they are ready to be charged. Reservations with the Pending Void status are those with pre-authorized payment holds that were canceled before entering the cancellation fee period. You can review, then void these reservations. If the status is Failed, click it to view the details and address the problem. Use the Ignore action, which only becomes available when a payment fails, to dismiss notifications of failed payments that have been addressed. There are several actions you can take once you locate the payments that need to be managed. Each type of transaction has different actions that can be taken. Prepayments have the refund option, which allows you to give a full or partial refund by specifying an amount manually. Store mode payments have the capture and cancel fee options. The capture button is used when a customer wants to pay with the payment information stored with their reservation instead of paying directly at the venue. The cancel fee button will become visible once the reservation has crossed into the range of time specified in your venue settings when cancellation fees are applicable, so you can charge the fee. Please note, the cancel fee button will be visible for reservations that have not been canceled as well. Be careful to only charge fees to reservations that have been canceled by making sure that they have the pending cancel fee status. If you use the cancel fee option, you will see a breakdown of the fee to be applied, as established in your venue settings. It is possible to manually change the amount charged. Once a cancellation fee has been charged, the refund button will become available for those reservations. Pre-authorized payment holds have the capture, cancel fee, and void options. The capture option is the same as before, allowing a customer to pay with the payment information stored with their reservation instead of paying directly at the venue. If a diner does pay directly at the venue when they already have a pre-authorized hold on their card, this initial hold and the in-store payment may both appear on their card as if they were double charged until the hold is relinquished by the payment gateway company. This capture feature can be useful to avoid this. The cancel fee button is also the same as before, becoming visible once a reservation has crossed into the range when cancellation fees are applicable, allowing you to charge the fee. The void option releases the hold that was placed on the card at the time of booking. For example, you can use this to release the hold on a reservation that was canceled with sufficient notice, so no cancellation fee was required. When any payment action is taken, it is recommended to add notes about the reason behind the action in the memos fields for future reference. As different payment gateways have different payment action capabilities, please contact your managing consultant for details about your venue. This concludes the explanation of the payments view.